guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really cool puzzle video animation on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to select mask first, and I'm going to select the circle one. You can choose any shape you want, I think, but I prefer circle, and just copy and paste it. And then on the second one, you're going to make the mask smaller than the first one, and then you're going to copy and paste that, and you're going to make it again smaller than the second one. And then the fourth one, sorry, smaller than that one. Just make it even smaller than the last one. And you are going to rotate it. So I'm just going to rotate the second twice, the third 3 times, and the fourth 1, 2, 3, 4 times. And then I'm just going to rotate it like 5 times for the last one. And you'll have this like random puzzle. And to create the animation, you're just going to start with the second one, and you are going to add in a keyframe in basic, and then at the end you're going to want to rotate it the same way. And if it's not in the same place, you are just going to scale it back properly. It is a little bit hard to move it in place, like this one, 370 degrees, and also here. You're going to again add a keyframe at the beginning of the video, like the photo, and at the end you're going to want to rotate it to the same place. And if it's not the same like rotation, you're just going to want to adjust it yourself, like so. Well, try to adjust it yourself. And then again here, add in a keyframe. And at the end, you're going to want to rotate it. Oops. Going to rotate it to fit the face. And I think that is it for this one. I think I didn't rotate it again. Okay, there we go. Then I will add in a keyframe at the beginning, and at the end I will rotate it back to its place, hopefully. I do not think this one's in the right spot. Okay, it's a little bit tricky to do. There we go. And this one's not in the right spot either. So let's just try to bring it back. There you go. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!